Okay, so this is applied math homework helper for Mrs. Long's class. And what's nice about this is Miss Long has YouTubes helping you through all of this, okay? So you're going to go to your Google Classroom and she has...
This video is prepared for those students who can't attend the Google Meet class on Tuesday at 1 p.m., where I'm going to go over this worksheet that's in your distance learning packet titled...
So you can see she has the videos for you, okay? And this is information from her. So she has math class 1 p.m. Tuesdays. To join the video meeting, click this link, okay? Otherwise, to join by phone and enter this PIN, okay? So the link would probably be easier, okay? And so I've kind of worked through this, but I do recommend that you watch her videos. So we have Andre is buying a house for $82,000. Closing costs, so these are all the fees, are 4% of the costs. What are his closing costs? So you have $82,000. You have to convert the percentage by moving the decimal. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Okay, let me go back. Sorry, guys. Okay, so you convert the decimal, and then, whoops, I wasn't going to give you guys the answers there. I didn't know I wrote it on there. Okay, don't copy this down. Okay, so the bank giving him the mortgage requires a 20% down. What is the 20% of the selling price? So same thing, times 0.20. How much total cash must Andre have to close the deal? So add A and B together and you get the answer. Andre is financing 80% of the house. So 82,000 times 0.8. He got a mortgage at 4.75. Convert that, okay, to 0.0475, okay? And then you're going to times that by the answer you got on D. Andre pays only the interest on his loan in monthly installment. How much will he have to pay each month for his loan? So you take the answer from D and you divide it by 12 months. Andre rips up the shaggy carpet and puts down hardwood floors. So you have materials cost $8 square foot. And the house's square foot is 1,045. So you multiply those together. Okay. Okay. And this is HIJK. Okay. So the house is 1,300 square feet. Andre wants to repair the whole house. On average, it costs $2 per square foot to repaint the interior of a house. How much paint materials cost? So you have 1,300 times 2. So that one's not too hard. He puts in 90 8-hour days. Okay, so how many hours is that? It's 90 times 8. After 12 months, Andre is able to sell the house for $120,000. He has to pay back his original loan. Okay, after deducting his payments, repair and improvement costs, how much money did Andre make? So from $120,000, you're going to be subtracting all of his cost. Okay, considering Andre's 90 8-hour days, which was 90 times 8, calculate how much he earned per hour. Okay, so you're going to take how much money did he make on the house, okay, and then you're going to divide that by 720, okay, and that'll give you his hourly rate. Okay, so here's an example. I use different numbers so you can see if he bought the house at $100,000, that was the cost of the house. His closing costs are 5%. Okay, so 100,000 times 0.05 equals 5,000. That's his closing cost. B, 20% down of 100,000 is 20,000. C, 20,000 plus 5,000 equals 25,000. So they're saying how much money did he need to buy the house, okay, to start. And then D, he's getting a loan for 80% of the house, so 100,000 times 0.8. And it says his mortgage interest rate was 4.75%. So you times that by the 80,000. But remember, it should be 80,000 times 0.0475. Okay. So if he only pays the interest, it's 3,800 divided by 12 months. Okay. And carpet, 10 square feet times 1,200 square feet equals 12,000. So these are examples of each problem on the worksheet, except for I've changed the numbers, okay? So if carpet costs $10 a square foot, and there's 1,200 square feet, you multiply them together. And then we have 1,300 square feet, and the paint costs $1, let's say a gallon, or no, $1 per square foot. And so that would be 1,300. You just multiply them. And then if he worked 8-hour days, oh wait, what is that original problem back there? Andre also puts an additional 90 8-hour days. Okay, yeah. So it's 8 hours for 90 days is 720 hours. Okay. Let's say he sells the house for 150,000. Okay. It says his original loan, if we go back, his original loan, let's see, 100% times 0.8 was 80,000. Okay. So I have 80,000 plus 3,800 for interest, plus 12,000 for flooring, plus 1,300 for paint. I got 97,100. So if he sells it for 150,000, subtract 97,100, you get 82,100. So that's a big gain. Okay, so they say, okay, well, on K, they want to know what, if we look at his labor of 720 hours on I. So if he made 82,100, we divide that by 720, and we get 114.03. So that's how much he made per hour. Okay, so go back through these if you need to, and you can look at how these are set up. Okay. And then on here, remember, let's see. Oh, and with Mrs. Long, she does have the YouTubes. So she's going through the lessons with you. So if you guys don't find this necessary for me to do this for you, and you just want to watch Mrs. Long's, that's fine. Okay? So I hope this helped a little bit. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.